As we age, maintaining muscle strength becomes increasingly important, especially in the legs. Our legs bear much of our body's weight and play a vital role in daily activities like walking, climbing stairs, and maintaining balance. Unfortunately, as we grow older, muscle mass naturally decreases, leading to weakness and the potential for falls or injuries. To combat this, nutrition plays a key role in keeping legs strong. Including certain foods in your diet can provide essential nutrients that support muscle health, bone strength, and overall mobility. Here are 4 key foods to help strengthen your legs as you age. Food. 1. Lean protein. Lean protein plays a vital role in maintaining and strengthening muscles, especially as we age. As we grow older, muscle mass naturally declines in a process known as sarcopenia, which can lead to weakness, reduced mobility, and a greater risk of falls. To combat this, consuming adequate protein is essential to support muscle repair and growth. Foods like chicken, fish, and tofu are excellent sources of lean protein. Chicken, particularly skinless breast meat, is low in fat and high in protein, making it an ideal choice for muscle maintenance. Fish, especially fatty varieties like salmon, tuna, and mackerel, offer not only protein, but also omega-3 fatty acids, which reduce inflammation and promote joint health, further enhancing mobility. Tofu, a plant-based protein, is an excellent alternative for those who prefer vegetarian or vegan diets. Made from soybeans, tofu provides all the essential amino acids needed for muscle repair and maintenance. It is also rich in calcium, which supports bone health. By incorporating lean protein into your diet, you provide your muscles with the necessary building blocks for strength and repair. This helps maintain muscle function in the legs, supporting everyday movements like walking, climbing stairs, and standing, ultimately improving overall quality of life in older age. Food. 2. Leafy greens. Leafy greens such as kale, spinach, and other dark leafy vegetables are nutritional powerhouses, especially for older adults concerned with maintaining leg strength and overall bone health. These greens are rich in calcium and vitamin K, 2 essential nutrients that play a critical role in strengthening bones and preventing fractures. Calcium is well known for its ability to support bone density and structure. As we age, our bones naturally lose density, making them more susceptible to fractures and breaks. Incorporating calcium-rich foods like kale and spinach into your diet helps ensure that your bones stay strong and resilient, supporting mobility and reducing the risk of injury from falls. Vitamin K, found abundantly in leafy greens, is equally important for bone health. It plays a key role in calcium regulation and bone mineralization. This vitamin activates proteins that help bind calcium to the bones, thereby improving bone strength. Additionally, vitamin K contributes to the formation of collagen, an essential protein that provides the bones with flexibility and strength. Incorporating kale, spinach, and other leafy greens into your meals can have a profound impact on both bone health and leg strength. These nutrient-packed foods help protect against osteoporosis and other age-related bone conditions, ensuring that you maintain mobility and independence as you age. Food. 3. Nuts and seeds. Nuts and seeds, such as almonds, chia seeds, and flax seeds, are not only delicious but also packed with essential nutrients that promote joint health and muscle strength, especially as we age. These foods are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which play a crucial role in reducing inflammation and supporting overall mobility, particularly in the legs. Omega-3 fatty acids are well known for their anti-inflammatory properties. Chronic inflammation, often linked to joint pain and stiffness, can become more prevalent with age, leading to conditions such as arthritis. By incorporating foods rich in omega-3s, like almonds, chia seeds, and flax seeds, you can help reduce this inflammation, easing joint discomfort and enhancing flexibility. This can lead to better mobility and greater leg strength. Additionally, omega-3 fatty acids support the health of synovial fluid, which lubricates the joints, helping them move more freely. This lubrication is particularly important in the knees, hips, and ankles, all of which are essential for daily activities like walking, climbing stairs, and standing. Almonds provide a good amount of protein and healthy fats, while chia and flax seeds offer fiber, antioxidants, and other nutrients that support overall wellness. Including these nutrient-dense foods in your diet can contribute to improved joint function and stronger, more resilient legs as you age. Food. 4. Sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes are an excellent food choice for maintaining leg strength and preventing muscle-related issues as we age. One of their most significant benefits comes from their high potassium content, a vital mineral that helps regulate muscle function. Potassium plays a crucial role in maintaining the balance of fluids and electrolytes in the body, ensuring that muscles contract and relax properly. As we get older, the risk of muscle cramps increases, often due to a lack of potassium or dehydration. Including sweet potatoes in your diet can help reduce this risk, ensuring your muscles remain flexible and functional. In addition to potassium, sweet potatoes are rich in complex carbohydrates and fiber, which provide a steady source of energy and support overall health. This makes them an ideal food for maintaining an active lifestyle, which is key to preserving mobility and leg strength. Sweet potatoes also contain antioxidants like beta-carotene, which promote overall tissue health and can help reduce inflammation, another common issue in aging muscles and joints. By supporting muscle function, reducing cramps, and providing energy, sweet potatoes are a powerful addition to any diet aimed at strengthening legs and promoting mobility as we age. Conclusion: incorporating these 4 key foods, lean protein, leafy greens, nuts and seeds, and sweet potatoes, into your diet can significantly enhance leg strength and overall mobility as you age. Lean protein helps repair and maintain muscle tissue, while leafy greens provide calcium and vitamin K to support bone health. Nuts and seeds, rich in omega-3 fatty acids, reduce inflammation and promote joint health. And sweet potatoes offer potassium to maintain muscle function and prevent cramps. Together, these nutrient-dense foods help keep your legs strong, flexible, and resilient, supporting an active and independent lifestyle in your later years.